Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to prepare bone marrow. First thing is scrape the meat first and clean around the bone. Now we're gonna break the bone. Now you see the line like at the spider cord. We're gonna put the knife in there. Now you can see bone marrow inside the bone. I have prepared the rice vinegar in the bowl. Just put the bone marrow into there to wash it. Make sure no blood or meat on bone marrow. After clean, replace to the sunbaiser and marinate it for 24 hours. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and see you at next video.